Let's get sporty now. The Confederation of Africa Football (CAF) says the country has some work to do before getting the green light to host the August CHAN diadem. The government is adamant they're on the right path and will be ready. The government has rubbished reports that Kenya will be denied the hosting rights.
They have been able to identify the good progress that we have made, and they have also identified gaps that we need to fix going forward, and we are committed to ensure that we do that as part of the progress to prepare for this tournament. I'm aware in the last few days there have been running messages across the board that Kenya is being barred out of hosting CHAN, and I want to dispel fears that as government and CAF we are working in partnership, to make sure that the hosting of CHAN goes on seamless, but also maintains the compliance standards that are required.
But can be sure what will happen tomorrow. But when we have seen today the huge progress that has been done December and now, I don't see it would be miracle to destroy your own stadium. That we cannot take the place. But what we have seen now, I don't see the reason. If you continue with this momentum, we will play here.
Yes.
But you have to continue not sleep. Continue the momentum that we have seen today. If you continue this, we are here in August to play.
Top seeds from the East African countries have confirmed participation in the Eastern and Northern Africa